Welcome to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of agriculture. In today's video, we will take you to witness the process of Brussels sprout production. Involves cultivating and managing the growth of Brussels sprout plants, from seed sowing to harvest. Our journey begins in a state-of-the-art greenhouse. Meet the tray seeding machines, specifically designed for efficient seed preparation. These machines are equipped with cutting-edge technology and automation systems to streamline the seeding process. The first step is loading the trays with seeds. The tray seeding machine carefully dispenses the seeds into designated compartments, ensuring precise placement and an even distribution of seeds throughout the tray. After the seeds are placed in the tray, the machine covers them with a fine layer of growing media, such as soil or a specialized seed starting mix. The machine's settings allow for customizable seeding depth and spacing, tailored to the specific requirements of the seeds being planted. This precision ensures optimal conditions for the seeds to sprout and grow. Greenhouse tray seeding machines often incorporate irrigation systems to provide the seeds with the necessary moisture for germination. The greenhouse employs automated irrigation and nutrient delivery systems. These machines provide precise amounts of water and nutrients to the seedlings at regular intervals, ensuring consistent moisture and essential nutrition for their development. After the seedlings have grown to a healthy and robust stage, they are ready for transplantation to the field. Brussels sprout seeding transplantation has become more efficient, thanks to innovative PlantTape machines. PlantTape machines are innovative agricultural tools used for seedling transplantation. These machines work by utilizing a continuous strip of biodegradable tape that holds pre-seeded young plants at regular intervals. These machines simplify the process by utilizing PlantTape, which holds pre-seeded young plants in a continuous strip. The workers carefully take the prepared seedlings and place them into the PlantTape machine. Depending on the specific machine design, there may be a designated area or mechanism for loading the seedlings. The PlantTape machine incorporates a transplanting system that gently places the seedlings into the prepared field. The machine's precision ensures consistent spacing and depth, optimizing the growing conditions for the seedlings. Once the seedlings are accurately positioned, the PlantTape dissolves naturally. This process allows the seedlings to establish their roots in the soil, and the dissolved tape becomes a biodegradable material, leaving no residue behind. With each pass of the machine, multiple seedlings are planted simultaneously, increasing efficiency and productivity. Brussels sprouts thrive in cool weather, with full sun or partial shade. On average, Brussels sprouts take approximately 90 to 120 days from the time of sowing seeds to the harvest of mature sprouts. They will be ready for harvest when the sprouts' heads feel firm and have reached a desirable size, typically 1 to 2 inches in diameter. Brussels sprouts harvesting has evolved with the help of mechanical machines designed specifically for this task. These machines streamline the process, saving time and reducing labor requirements. This specialized machine is equipped with adjustable cutting blades, conveyor belts, and collection bins to ensure a smooth and efficient operation. As the machine moves through the Brussels sprout field, the cutting blades are carefully positioned to sever the sprouts from the stalks. Later, the farmers will insert the Brussels sprout stalk into the machine's feeding system, which will trim the Brussels head from the stalk. Then, the conveyor belts transport the harvested sprouts onto collection bins, or containers attached to the machine. Machine-assisted trimming brings several benefits to farmers. It significantly reduces the labor-intensive task of manually trimming each sprout, saving time and resources. Moreover, the consistent head size and quality achieved through machine trimming enhance marketability. Thanks to the efficiency of machine-assisted trimming, Brussels sprouts can make their way from the farm to the consumer more quickly. This ensures that you can enjoy fresh and visually appealing sprouts on your plate. All the collected Brussels sprouts will be transferred into the collection bins. Once the collection bins are filled with harvested sprouts, they are transported to a designated area for further processing and storage. The trucks arrive at the factory, where they are promptly unloaded to minimize any delays. The Brussels sprouts will be unloaded into a conveyor belt to enter the factory for further processing. In large-scale production, specialized factory machinery plays a crucial role in streamlining the sorting, cleaning, and packaging process. These advanced machines are designed to handle high volumes of sprouts with efficiency and precision. The first step in the factory processing of Brussels sprouts involves sorting. Conveyor belts transport the harvested sprouts to the sorting area, where optical sensors and advanced sorting technology rapidly identify and separate sprouts based on size, color, and quality. Once sorted, the sprouts move into the cleaning stage. They pass through a series of water sprays and gentle brushes that remove dirt, debris, and any residual leaves. Quality control is of utmost importance. Skilled workers meticulously sort through the harvested Brussels sprouts. They carefully inspect each sprout, removing any damaged or inferior ones, ensuring that only the highest quality sprouts move forward in the process. Once sorted, cleaned, and prepared, the Brussels sprouts are ready for packaging. They are carefully placed into packaging containers, packed in a net bag. Labels with product information, including the variety, origin, and nutritional details, are added to the packaging. The sprouts are then placed into cartons or crates, ready to be transported to distribution centers and eventually reach your local store. From the moment the Brussels sprouts are harvested to the time they are packaged and delivered to your local store, farmers and workers ensure that you receive the best Brussels sprouts for a delightful dining experience.